Please follow these instructions on how to set authentication in an installation in Zaptec Portal. Log in with your Zaptec user. Dashboard is now displaying. Then click on Installations. This page shows the installations you currently have access to. You may either search for available installations up on the right or select from the list displayed. Select Installation, click on Settings, and then next click on Authentication. There are three options of authentication: native authentication, webhooks, and OCPP. Webhooks and OCPP will be the options in order to integrate a third-party charge authorization and payment solution within the Zaptec Portal. This solution allows third parties to integrate and authorize their own users without any user synchronization to Zaptec Portal. This video covers native authentication and how to enable and disable this option. By disabling native authentication, it will allow all charge requests, which means all charging stations are unlocked and there will be no need to have user permission in order to charge. Therefore, there are no need for users to authenticate through a charge card or the Zapcharger app. When the native authentication is activated, all the charging stations within the installation are locked. Only users with user permission will be able to charge and must authenticate with a charge card or through the Zapcharger app. This symbol indicates the native authentication has been activated. It is important to notice that only users with owner permission to the installation can activate or deactivate this authorization option. Users with user permission and/or owner permission to one or several charging stations cannot activate or deactivate native authentication. Charge cards are added to a user account through the Zapcharger app, combined with an online Zaptec charging station. The charge cards added to a user account will be connected to the specific user and their permissions. An unlimited amount of charge cards may be added to a user account.